I was raised out of steel-haired swamps of Jersey some misty years ago. Through the mud and the beer, the blood and the cheers, I've seen champions come and go. So if you got the guts, mister, if you got the balls, you think it's your time, then step to the line and bring on your wrecking ball. Bring on your wrecking ball. Bring on your wrecking ball. Come on and take your best shot. Let me see what you got. Bring on your wrecking ball. Now my home's here in these meadowlands where mosquitoes grow big as airplanes. Here where the blood is spilled, the arena's filled, and giants play their games. So raise up your glasses, let me hear your voices call. 'Cause tonight all the dead are here, so bring on your wrecking ball. Bring on your wrecking ball. Bring on your wrecking ball. Come on and take your best shot. Let me see what you got. Bring on your wrecking ball. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now when all this steel and these stories, they drift away to rust, and all our youth and beauty has been given to the dust. The game has been decided, and we're burning down the clock, and all our little victories and glories turned into parking lots. When your best hopes and desires are scattered to the wind, and hard times come, and hard times go, and hard times come